Hi, hello, this is your Lucky sir. NCRT text reading program is going on. Actually, for this part of electrochemistry, you must be very good at NCRT part. Only NCRT is required, nothing else. So, fuel cells. Production of electricity by thermal plants is not a very efficient method and is a major source of pollution. Right? So, we should not go for this. In such plants, the chemical energy, heat of combustion of fossil fuels like coal, gas, or oil is first used for converting water into high pressure steam. This is then used to run a turbine to produce electricity. Got it? What actually happens in the thermal plants is first chemical energy of fossil fuels, then that is converting water into high pressure steam, then that is used to run the turbines. We know that a galvanic cell is directly converts chemical energy into electricity and is highly efficient. It is now possible to make such cells in which reactants are fed continuously to the electrodes and products are removed continuously from the electrolyte compartment. And a great sentence, not much useful for you. You need this one. Galvanic cells that are designed to convert the energy of combustion of fuels like hydrogen, methane, methanol, etc., directly into electrical energy are called fuel cells. So, this is your question. What type of fuels are used? Hydrogen, methane, methanol. So, this is the apparatus. You can see hydrogen, oxygen, and what actually happens here. One of the most successful fuel cells uses the reaction of hydrogen with oxygen to form water. Easy, na? Generally, water is not prepared like this, hydrogen oxygen, but when hydrogen oxygen combine, definitely water is formed. The cell was used to providing electrical power in the Apollo space program. So, this is your IIT question. The water vapors produced during the reaction were condensed and added to the drinking water supply for the astronauts. Easy, na? So, two uses. In the cell, hydrogen and oxygen are bubbled through porous carbon electrodes into concentrated aqueous sodium hydroxide solution. Catalysts like finely divided platinum, question, palladium are incorporated into the electrodes for increasing the rate of electrode reactions. Fine. The electrode reactions are at cathode, oxygen is converted to OH minus, hydrogen is converted to water. Clear? Overall reaction is 2H2 plus O2 gives rise to 2H2. Look at this number of electrons involving and all these your direct questions. The cell runs continuously as long as the reactants are supplied. Fuel cells produce electricity with an efficiency about 70%. So 70% type of questions you can expect in NEET, not in JEE Main, right? So don't worry much about this. So to thermal plants whose efficiency is about 40%, thermal plants is 40% and this is 70%. There has been tremendous progress in the development of new electrode materials, better catalysts and electrolytes for increasing the efficiency of the fuel cells. Okay, nowadays. These have been used in automobiles on an experimental basis. Fuel cells are pollution free and in view of their future importance, a variety of fuel cells have been fabricated and tried. So you remember, in the Apollo space program, first time H2 and O2 are used. So this is all about the fuel cells, NCRT part. Signing off, Lakshma Reddy sir.